Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. They'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. And also thank you guys for sending me this unit. And here we go. We got Prime Day sales going on. And then Memorial Day sales, I think. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Flame Atmosphere Speaker. Stereo speaker. Multi-sync. Got a dual back. Oh. Here we go. LED. Duration 24 hours. Speaker. Wireless audio. Plays music. It's Xpoovv. Outdoor speakers. Waterproof. So you see improved. Alright, let's take a look. And you guys can get them now. They got the sales going on. So definitely check them out. Pretty nice setup. We'll take this one. Oh, it's tiny little dude. Alright. It's not even heavy. I'm out. We might need the manual, but maybe not. There we go. So we get the manual. Flame speaker. We'll take a look inside. It's probably like the hooks and the stakes to put it in the ground. Yep. Oh boy. We got some goodies. Not the Nancy Kerrigan pipe, but it's a pipe. Alright. I got another. So you get 3 of them. And this one you put on the ground. Great for barbecuing outside in the backyard on these hot summer nights. We finally are here. We got a heat wave happening now in Detroit. So definitely going to be staying inside. But I'll do a demo outside for this one. USB charge. Got these little spacers, I think. And we got the hooks. So you can have it multiple ways of displaying this thing. I think mine is going to be on the ground. So this and these. But now we'll take a look at the speaker. I think these were like under 30. So affordable price. If you got a big backyard, you might want to buy a couple and have them all sync up at the same time. Yeah, they are super lightweight, so kind of looks like a lantern. You can have it dangling. Well, let's take a look. Oops, sorry about that. There's the light inside there. Yeah, this is super nice feel too. Here's a button, command center, light, power. There's lightness plus volume. And here's the bottom. Probably it's the same thing as number 2. I think you charge it right here. There's a little USB spot. Right there, you charge. Alright, now I'll get my tablet in a second. We'll hook this up right now. Boom. Boom. Like I said, if you want to make it taller. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Extended. And if you want to make it super taller, boom. Which I'll probably leave it as this. Push it down. There we go. And then boom, 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 boom. Take this end. You stick it right here. I want to wait till later also to do the outside showing because it's going to be darker. Oops. Darker in a few hours from now. There we go. And it just shove it in there. And then see the screw right there. Keep on turning. There we go. Oh yeah. So we got one. See, extended. We'll turn on this speaker right now because, like I said, once I get my tablet, we'll set them all up. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Oops, sorry about that. So both are on. Both are dual connected. Now we're going to go get my tablet. And hopefully we can find it like easy. Here we go. Got my tablet ready. There we go. It should be under my last resort. Oh, where is it? Bluetooth. Turning on. Those settings would be a lot easier. And Bluetooth. Setting up this way now. Pair a new device. Hello. Where are you? It is called, I am not sure. Let's give it a second. Alright guys, it's going to be called A1 through A8. There we go. We are connected. Now we're going to test out some YouTube non-copyrighted music. Show ya non-copyrighted music. I'm gonna pause because the ad has commercials. Here we go. Yeah. Oh. Where's my volume? Now we got surround sound. They sound good for outdoor speakers, you know. Take it to the beach. Sounds amazing, guys. You can see the speaker moving. See it right in there? got two different modes. Solid state, off, and then the flame. This is really cool though. Alright, next stop, we're going to be in the backyard. I mean, a little bit. You guys won't know, but if you want to see them at night, fast forward a minute, you'll be good. Alright, YouTubers, be right back. Alright guys, we are outside. As you can see, still really hot. We got the heat wave going on. I gotta be quiet, my neighbors are older. Here we go. We got it hidden all the way down. Still dark enough. Put the lights on. No music, because like I said, it's late out. I don't want to upset my neighbors. Here we go. But you can have them pretty much spread out anywhere. But really nice. So if you're looking for new outdoor speakers, you already heard how they sound. There we go. Definitely check these guys out. Like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, place your order, and they'll ship it to you fast. So like I said, you can have them hanging also with the hooks, and then stake on the ground. And you can have it downsized too. So, but this is all the way to the full max, which I think is a pretty good spot, especially behind the swing. Listen to some music. That'll be good to go. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night.